What's up, guys? M3GAN has returned. You can see here on chess.com it says, summoned by HIKARU. M3GAN heard HIKARU could beat you in chess, so she came back to stop him. Well, there's only one thing for us to do. Let's pair the M3GAN bot against the HIKARU bot and see what happens. All right, I gave HIKARU white just because I feel like he might need it because of the rating disadvantage, but let's see what happens. Okay, we get a Sicilian. He plays d4. Takes with the queen, which is interesting because you do lose a tempo, except you actually have the bishop pin, so you don't really lose a tempo. You just have to be willing to give up your bishop, which it looks like he does. Okay, develops. Bishop to g5. Castles queenside. This looks very natural. Get the rook involved, put some pressure on the d5. I like Hikaru's position so far, but this is very, very solid setup for black. It's very difficult to break through. Queen to d3, the queen comes out. King's b1, pretty useful move, getting off of that diagonal and also adding support to the a pawn. In some cases you need that. Okay, brings the rooks to the center. Valuation is pretty equal. Slight advantage there for the M3GAN bot. Brings the bishop back. Okay, centralizes the knight, pushes the pawn. Pretty equal position. We're gonna get some trades. We do. Okay, queen comes in. Looks like it's an even trade, and they do trade. Rook to b8. There's a checkmate threat on b2. Let's see how HIKARU deals with that. Bishop to c3 makes a lot of sense. Some rooks get traded. And we go into an endgame. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen. Defends the pawn here on f2. All right. This is actually pretty interesting. So it's 6 pawns against 6 pawns, but white has the 3 on this side, and black has this clump of 5 over here against 3. Personally, I feel like I'd rather have HIKARU's pawn structure from a human, kind of perspective. Okay, wow, check. Bishop goes all the way back. Yeah, HIKARU's position is actually not bad. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, now I don't know. Now, looks like M3GAN has a very strong bishop in the center, although Engine is saying it's still slightly better for white. Okay, the rook goes over there. What is going to happen? Guys, if you haven't, put a comment down below. Who do you think is going to win this game? Straight, uh-oh. HIKARU's ahead. You see the eval bar there? But look at M3GAN's king. King is very active. The pawns are starting to go on that side. HIKARU takes that. Ooh, look at the pawns now. Is that really the best choice? All right, let's keep going. Yeah, now I don't know. M3GAN's king is looking very active. Oh, but wait a second. Wait a second. What's happening? Okay, so she stops the pawn from becoming a queen with the rook, so HIKARU can't really do that. He would like to go down here and defend, but then the pawn gets captured. This one's probably a goner. I don't know. Oh, king to b5. Look at the eval bar. Did M3GAN make a mistake? 3. Oh, she allowed the rook to get in between. I don't think that's good. What is M3GAN's plan? Check. Going for checkmate. Okay, but what's HIKARU going to do? Rook to c6 check. What a crazy sacrifice. So just to point out, if he gets the queen now, he gets checkmated. So he sacrifices the rook. The idea is that if the king takes, he's going to get the queen with check. And then he has time to save it from the skewer. Incredible move. So he doesn't take it. Check again. And now the king is coming up. The king is coming up to help the pawn. Okay. Wait, what? This is the move? Rook to d5? Oh, because if you take it, it's the same idea. You get it with check, and you're going after the pawns, I guess. What a crazy move. She does take it. HIKARU's winning. He's totally winning. Look at this. He's crushing the M3GAN bot. He's crushing. Yep, he's going to mop up the pawns, and he's going to win. He's totally going to win. Yep, sacrifices it so that he can go into the winning endgame, and it's all over. It is all over. Well, there you have it, folks. M3GAN needs some more work. She just lost as black to the HIKARU bot. I don't know what's going on. Let me know your thoughts down below. Would you like to see a rematch or what's happening? Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.